Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that describes someone who is overflowing with energy and enthusiasm: ebullient. It might look a bit complicated, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is ebullient. Let's break it down. First, we have ick, which sounds like the I in bit. Next is bul, which rhymes with full and is stressed. Then comes yunt, which sounds like yunt in important. Now let's put it all together. Ebullient. Try repeating after me. Ebullient. Now a little faster. Ebullient. And at full speed. Ebullient. Keep practicing and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Ebullient describes someone who is cheerful, full of energy, and overflowing with enthusiasm. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce ebullient and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video!